Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these SoundPEATS headphones called RunFree. I have linked these headphones in the description below if you want to check them out. So highlights of these headphones are that they are Red Dot Design Award winners, and also they come with innovative air conduction technology and are really light. And also they have immersive audio with enhanced bass and low frequency with 16.2mm drivers. So if we just look at the paperwork here, we've got the user guide and stuff, and then we also have a USB-C charging cable, and then the headphones here themselves. So we've got these little stickers on here, just peel those off and jump straight into the design and comfort. So here's some specs on the dimensions, and we've got some regulatory information here printed, and like I mentioned, they have patented low frequency enhancement structure and then 16.2mm drivers, and I have to say they feel really light in the hand, feel well built. And then we have innovative directional sound transmission, and it comes with dual microphones. So for button control, we can see here we have play, pause, volume up and down, which can be used for skipping tracks or going to previous tracks. And then under this little rubber seal here we have the charging port, and then your normal Bluetooth light, which obviously will blink according to whatever you're trying to do at the time. And there we can see one of the other microphones, and in the hand they feel really light, like I was saying, barely there feel, and then just to show their rigidity kind of just bounce back to their shape, so you're not going to be breaking these anytime soon. Comfort wise, I think they were absolutely fine, fit snugly around the ear, no problem there. The only thing I did notice was that trying to use the button controls was a bit finicky, where it would kind of push into the back of your ear. Is how they look hanging on my neck. So obviously these are geared towards active lifestyles, so for running, jogging, exercising, and you're not going to have any problem with them coming off with the hooks. So if we just jump into pairing and setup, you can download the SoundPEATS app, and these headphones do have Bluetooth 5.3, so they allow for dual device connection, but obviously the devices have to be on Bluetooth 5.3 as well. And then it's a matter of just powering them on, connected them through Bluetooth, and then we jump straight into the app. We can see we're presented with the battery percentage, and then going to the settings, you have adaptive EQ here. It takes about a minute to run this test. I'll pop the headphones on, jump straight into that, and then it just plays a bunch of different frequencies with different decibels and kind of adapts the sound to your ears. So there's my result. Don't know if that's good or bad, but that's my best hearing curve apparently, so we'll just save that. And then we have the presets here, so you got your bass boost, bass reduction, the usual, so you can pick whichever sound you prefer, or if you want to customize it, you can always do that, and then adjust each one accordingly. And we also have a game mode, which from experience kind of brought the highs up a little bit from what I could hear. And then we have the store on that side, and then just a bunch of different bits here. We can upgrade the firmware on the menu bar, and this is the latest version. So let's jump into the sound quality and performance so you can have a listen. And like I said, they have bass enhancement structures, they are putting it, and then 16.2mm dynamic drivers. Although I'm not an audiophile or have any expertise knowledge in audio, and I was impressed, but we'll have a listen.
You're the reason why It's not just the boy. I'm doing this because I enjoy it. Where is he?
And then we'll just check out the call quality.
See what the headphones sound like when connected to a phone for a phone call. Mic check 1 2 in a quiet environment. Now there's noise playing in the background. Let's see what that sounds like. Now this is with the headphones, what that sounds like. So mic check 1 2 1 2. The background noise too playing quiet.
And then for battery life and charging, SoundPEATS are claiming that these headphones can give you up to 14 hours of playback time, and it charges via the USB cable and only takes 1.6 hours to charge full. With my use, I've been using them throughout the day, and I think that claim is quite accurate. They kind of lasted for 2-3 days and held their charge. And then connectivity and controls, as pointed out earlier, so we have Bluetooth 5.3, which is the latest, but obviously the device you're using needs to have that. And then we have the controls here. And then here's a quick table just showing you the different functions each button does. And then if we quickly check the water resistance, so these are IPX4, so resistance to splashes. Obviously if you're working out and you're sweating, but I'm trying to simulate that here by just chucking some water on them. So I've got them on the speaker grill themselves, quite soaked here, so let's just see if they actually function properly. I'll pop them in my ears, and yeah, seem to be working fine. And then we just browse around on the phone, max brightness, no problem. So that's good, they can resist some water. In conclusion, I have to say these headphones are quite good for the price. They are really good sounding headphones from my experience, and although I'm not an audiophile or have any expertise knowledge in audio, they sounded good to me. They have a decent amount of bass, obviously not thumping but still good, and sound clear on calls. The water resistance is good on them. They look nice and stylish from my perspective, and also I would see them really being functional when exercising, as they'll stay secure on your ears. And for me, it's a thumbs up. So if you want to check them out, just check the link in the description, and they're available on Amazon or through the SoundPEATS website. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, hit the sub button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.